Here is a tour of my brand new Vigilant Vault 2000. Very excited for this. This thing is massive. Holds a ton of boxes. We got it jam-packed and I could still fit, probably 20 boxes easily. So the collection is mostly Cuban. Starting here, got the top row with Monte Cristos and these great limited edition releases. Moving down to Ramon Allones, Trinidad, and Cohiba. As you can see, it goes 2 rows deep. Coming down to Portuguese, Hoyo de Monterrey, Quai d'Orsay, and Juan Lopez. And my favorite shelf, the H. Upmann shelf. Went deep on these Magnum 46, just absolutely love them as daily smokes. See in the back there, you have the Sir Winston, and the Magnum 50s over here. And coming down one more. We have the Trinidad Robusto Extra Travel Humidor. Grab 3 of those. This El Rey del Mundo Tanos. These are killer sticks right here. The El Rey del Mundo Contiki, Punch Mantua. Let's see. We have the La Gloria Cubana Orgullosos Monte 80th anniversary. This 2010 Hoyo de Monterrey Double Epicure Travel Humidor. And let's see, La Excepcion Don Jose, Habitu Reserva, and the bottom shelf, I've got this jar. So, as you can see, this thing holds a ton of cigars. Thanks.